Hey guys, and welcome to a new video of Bitcoin Edge. Today we'll take another look at the charts, and stuff is looking great. Great. Like always, we're starting off with a chart of Bitcoin US dollar on the 4-hour with the Bitmex funding and premium index. Right now we can see, basically, if it's too positive, you sell. If it's negative, you buy. It's always like that. Over here, on especially the last few days. Over here, we saw the clear bottom. It went negative. Over here, we even saw a little top because it was too positive, like premium. So yeah, that is basically it. And why did we start all this bull run stuff? Well, because over here we had negative funding, and when it's negative, you just buy. In a bull market or a bear market, it can stay positive or negative for a very long time. But if it's getting too high, like over here, getting very high near resistance, all it takes is a little dump to start a big dump, making liquidations cascade to the downside. It's basically a long squeeze. They cascade very fast, and usually down always goes fast, and up can go in all the ways possible. But if it goes up very fast, it's most of the times a short squeeze. So about that, if you guys have questions about that, please let me know in the comments. I would love to hear them, and I'll make sure you understand it with my replies, and if not, I'll tell you guys again. So that's what I always start with. Right now, I would say I'm seeing this pattern. This is the weekly, by the way. Last week we saw a big doji. This is usually a reversal candle. Probably a lot of people shorted on that weekly close, and we went up, as you can see. What do we see right now? Well, I am seeing this. If you see something different, let me know in the comments. Happy to hear, and always, yeah, happy to listen as well. I'm seeing something like this. If you guys think something different, let me know. Also this one could be, but I think we go up after this one. We break up. In what I think will happen is everybody's expecting to make something happen. happen at the daily close. But I think we go sideways for a day to make people wait and then break out. Because I've seen that happen before. I've seen that happen before. Let me check. Where was that? That was over here. This trade. This one, we were like everybody was expecting over there a breakout on the 1st of April. Like everything was lining up. We were so tight. The Bollinger Bands weren't ever being so tight ever. We were in such a small trading range, and price wasn't moving at all. Funding was very negative, and it was the end of the week, the end of the month, and the end of the first quarter. Well, nothing happened. We went completely sideways for a day. I was totally ready on the night of the 1st of April 2019. I was waiting. I was staying up all night. I'm like, now it has to move, because it was such, like, you could feel it, price wasn't doing anything, and something is building. But it happened on the 2nd of April. We had more than a 20% move up. We moved from, what was it? 4,000 something all the way to mid 5,000s, and I was long. I was so balls long. By the way, over here, new futures came out, and I was on a holiday, tried to close my futures position to get into a new futures position. Usually I always have a little futures position in the longs, but over here during the breakdown, I tried closing my position. I tried to close it with limit orders. And at one point I was like, shit, I'm gonna market sell it all. I'm market close it. But then I closed my laptop and went on with my holiday. And I forgot about my asks I had to the upside. And I was kind of sad, with BTC being so low. So I didn't want to check in on my exchanges. I was trading, well, never mind. I was trading futures. 2 weeks later I log in. And I had a massive short in. and we were right at the bottom over here. I longed it hard. We went up, went up, went up, and we had this. And here we had the amazing bull run of 2019. It was just 3 months, really quick. So on with the video of today. I'm talking way too much. For now, I'm seeing this happening, and yeah, this will cause a big breakout. Ethereum, I mean, if Bitcoin is gonna break out, Ethereum will also break out. Can adjust this line, wait. Let me remove that one. I mean, Ethereum kind of the same, I would say. Something like that. Yeah, Ethereum's kind of the same. If Bitcoin breaks up, Ethereum will do as well. Ethereum BTC, getting tightening here as well. I mean, do I even have to draw it? It's so obvious over here and over here, and you can see the yellow line of what I'm expecting to happen. Could go faster, could go slower, but this is basically what it comes down to. Yeah, that is about it. We're very bullish. We're very bullish. Daily looks good as well. It's really this pattern, guys. The 4 hour over here. This is it. This is what we're waiting for. Oh, wrong. Draw it yourselves. If you're new to trading or doing TA, I recommend you using Bitcoin Wisdom. I think it is the best, easiest way to trade or do TA on for beginners, and I always use Bitcoin Wisdom a lot. Back in the day, I was only using Bitcoin Wisdom, and that's how I started trading it. Going to the fundings, and it's all kind of flat, giving us a lot of fuel to the upside. It's completely flat. So yeah, that is about it. We're getting tight, we're getting exciting. A big breakout is gonna happen, and we have the end of the week, so maybe they're gonna make us wait a day or two, but we will break. And it will be a huge move for sure. So that's about it for today. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. See you guys again tomorrow.